Different bodies, same light. A gentle nudge from the animal kingdom. Have you ever looked into an animal's eyes and felt something ancient? A kind of wisdom that doesn't need words. That's no coincidence. Animals aren't here just to be companions, helpers, or background characters in the human story. They are souls just like you, light in fur, feathers, or scales. The body may say species, but the soul speaks of something much grander. Every being, pawed, winged, hoofed, or two-legged, carries light, not more, not less, just differently shaped. The human mind sometimes like to rank things, smarter, greater, more evolved. But that's ego talking. Love doesn't compare. Love just is. And animals, they're beautiful living reminder of that love. They teach without trying. They remind us to accept others as they are. They show us how to be present, how to support each other without keeping score, and how to love freely, unconditionally, and without borders. Maybe, just maybe, they're not here to be tamed, but to tame the human heart. So today, let's see our fellow beings, not as less or other, but as equals on this shared luminous journey. Because love is the thread that ties us all together, tails, toes, and all.